In this video, I am going to show you how to play Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons using two Xbox controllers. First, ensure both controllers are connected to your console or PC. To connect them, press the Xbox button on each controller until the light starts flashing, then press the sync button on the console or PC. Once both controllers are connected, launch Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. In the game, you can assign each controller to one of the brothers. To do this, go to the Settings menu and choose the option to enable local co-op or split-screen mode. This will allow you to control both brothers simultaneously, with one controller for each brother. Make sure to adjust the control settings if needed for a comfortable gaming experience. As you play, communicate with your partner to solve puzzles and progress through the game together. Enjoy the unique experience of playing Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons with friends or family. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.